Are you ready to uncover the rich history of your Native American ancestors? Welcome. I'm Dr. Guadalupe Vanderhorst Rodriguez, a family historian with over 40 years of genealogical research, and I am of the Kecoughtan, Rappahannock, and Lenapehoking Indigenous nations. And today we are going to dive into the essential steps to researching your Native American heritage, sharing tips to guide you on your path to discovering your roots. Researching your Native American ancestry can be both exciting and challenging, but with the right approach, you can uncover hidden stories and connections to your tribal lineage. Let's start with the first step. The first place to start is with your own family. Oral history has been a vital part of Native American culture for centuries. Talk to older relatives. Ask about tribal affiliations, significant places, and traditional names. Even a small detail, like the mention of a specific region or surname, can lead you in the right direction. Next, collect family records. Look for birth certificates, marriage licenses, and even newspaper clippings. Tribal names or affiliations might be mentioned, and older documents could provide the clues you need to identify connections to Native American tribes. The U.S. government conducted many Native American census rolls, like the Dawes Rolls or the Guyan-Miller Roll, which listed tribal members. These records can be valuable when verifying ancestry, especially if your ancestors were part of a recognized tribe. You can access many of these records online through websites like the National Archives, Ancestry.com, or tribal websites. Searching for your ancestors' names in these records can connect you to their tribal enrollment information. It's important to understand that each tribe has its own membership requirements. Some require proving direct descent, while others may look at blood quantum or community involvement. Make sure to visit tribal websites or call the tribe directly to learn more about how to prove your ancestry. DNA testing can also be a helpful tool to confirm Native American ancestry. Companies like 23andMe or Ancestry DNA offer tests that provide ethnicity estimates, which may include Native American heritage. Keep in mind that DNA tests may not pinpoint a specific tribe, but they can verify Indigenous ancestry, providing you with another layer of confirmation. As you continue your journey, joining Native American genealogy groups online can be an excellent way to share information and get advice. There are online forums, Facebook groups, and even specific genealogy websites dedicated to Native American research. Don't be afraid to reach out. Connecting with others can give you access to valuable resources and tips. Finally, reach out to tribal offices or local cultural centers. Many tribes have genealogy departments that can help you trace your ancestors through their specific records, especially if your family has strong oral traditions but lacks documented proof. This step can be a game changer in finalizing your search. Finding your Native American ancestors is a deeply meaningful journey, one that connects you to the resilience and history of your lineage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's continue to honor our ancestors by keeping their stories alive. Thanks for watching.